Kahal, I love your magnetic QR code. We do some of that as well, and I wanted to show some other things we do. Really easy way to post a standard is just in these job ticket holders. So you can post a few together. This is a little keychain right here. So we stopped using zip ties a while ago and just used stainless steel keychains. Some of them are plastic coated like this one, but we do a lot of this kind of job ticket holder standard, so you can easily swap the printed standard, and then we just put a sticker on the back if you want to scan the QR code to get to the app. And then sometimes stuff gets more permanent, and is like, you know, like this one here, it's like fully laminated. This one's pretty stable, but same thing you're doing here with magnets, just on a whiteboard. Same thing for here, just on a whiteboard. And you know, we use these job ticket holders for all different kinds of things. The red and black ones mean different stuff. Usually OPLs are in red. And then even examples, you can cram an example with some like visual controls on here. This is like how to make a home sign, but really handy for all different kinds of things. Keychains are kind of our standard hanging procedure now. So you see a lot of home signs on keychains. Great for food plant, but also like super handy just to be able to swap a sign out really easily. No zip ties to cut. Another way we'll do standards, and these are laminated because they're a little bigger, they're A3, but we'll do carabiners. These are magnetic carabiners. So this is a metal wall and just magnetic carabiners up on the wall to hold the standard. All right, here's some job ticket holders for production standards. Production standards, they're blue, but they just go in this organizer out on the Gemba. Here's an example of an OPL. All of our standards are color coded by area, and then we do OPLs in these red job ticket holders, so everybody knows that this is a new standard or an important safety standard. Also use this indestructible paper, which is just totally awesome. You can just punch a hole. It's plastic paper, grease-proof, waterproof, and you can just put a keychain on it, and you've got a batch of standards that you can hang up anywhere you need to. Sometimes in washdown areas, we'll do standards on one piece of indestructible paper, and it's just all the QR codes on a single GembaDoc. So this is for our oiler, and here's all the QR codes for the oiler, all the standards for the oiler. Indestructible paper stuff is totally awesome. It's been a game changer for us. Really a great way to add visual controls and standards out in the Gemba in a food plant. So this standard is not in a washdown area, it's laminated, but we have changed it a few times, but we always use these Velcro command strips. So one of them stays on the wall, and then you add your new ones, and then you can replace your standards super fast and easy. All right, one more note on the keychain idea. So here's a visual control for a home for this piece of equipment here, and it's attached with keychains, and we extended it from the ceiling, keychain up there, and then a length of stainless steel plastic coated chain with, like, you know, just like a little ferrule here crimped. But that allows you to move this around still and give you some flexibility with the keychains being the connector.